Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Looking good, baby. But I'm going to tell you how I save $5,000 compared to the new price on one of these bikes.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Woo, that V4 like... Oh yeah. Woo! Look good, oh, baby. Come on, let me get out of here. Look at the power. Look. Oh yeah. Oh man. Woo! Oh baby. Woo! I love this bike, baby. But I'm gonna tell you, you know what? A lot of you guys want to know my secrets. But hold on, first off. Yeah, you hear that? I love going under bridges, but like I said, the sound ain't right yet. It just ain't right yet, man. Because I got to put a proper pipe on there. Oh, baby. She is, oh my, this is like perfection. This is perfection, man. I am so glad I got this bike. I tell you guys, I'm really happy now. But anyways, for those of you that want to know my secrets on how I save so much money on my bikes, you know, I did a video on my how to buy motorcycle tips. If you haven't seen that video I did way back, I'll include a link to that in the description and comment section of the video. But I'll tell you right now in this video how I do it. Basically, what I do is I go on Cycle Trader and I put in the bike that I want, and then I sort the list from the cheapest to highest, and I look across the country and see what's out there and what's the best deal, how new the bike is, miles, everything. I usually try to look for leftover new. That's what I'm looking for most of the time.
Then I call the local dealerships and try to get them to match the price. In this case, they didn't, so I went to uship.com and I got the cheapest shipper for $250.
But I saw this bike and I couldn't pass it up. It only had, you know, 751 miles on it, and the guy said it's like brand new, not a scratch on it, still got the stickers on here, everything. And for $13,000, it was $13,500, but I got it down to $13,000. And the best deal I can find was out there on a leftover new 2018 was $15,000 I think it was about 15,000 something. And so I save about a couple $1,000s off of getting a leftover 2018. But one thing I really love about the 17, and what also drew me to getting this bike, is I love the green on the back. Oh man. Oh. Oh baby. Oh, I can get used to that, baby. Woo! Oh, make me feel good, baby. I feel good. James Brown, I feel good. Da -na 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 -na. Channeling my inner James Brown. But I'll tell you guys, saved $2,000 off of 2018. Got the beautiful green I wanted. Bikes mint. I was able to get the first service done before it was even shipped to me, which I feel they didn't do what they should have been done. And I did put a dispute with my credit card for that, because I feel like this bike should have came in top-notch with condition, with all the latest you know, programming on the bike and everything, and it didn't. You know, when I took it to the shop, they had to update the programming on the bike, and they had to tighten the battery cable connections. I'll tell you guys, I had a Ducati X Diablo shipped all the way from Idaho and to Ohio. And I tell you, that bike came here in excellent condition. I didn't have no issues at all. I started right up, no problems, man. This bike when I first started it had trouble. It took me like 5 minutes to get it started, and I'm like, did they even start this bike? That made me wonder, did they even do an oil change on the bike, man? Didn't make any sense. So, you know, I hope that they at least did an oil change on this bike. Cycle Trader's awesome, man. Like I said, use it as a base point and negotiate. Now, dealers probably are not going to like this video because they're not going to make much in commission. But there's a lot of dealers out there, they want to move bikes, man. You know what I'm saying? They have old stock, they just want to get it out of there, even if they break even. And that's what you're looking for. So that's why I say most of the time you're better off getting slightly, you know, getting leftover new or slightly used. To be honest with you, going forward, I probably won't go slightly used again. I probably will do leftover new, even though this bike is fine. But I just like to, I want to break the bike in. Oh, baby. This bike is so amazing, man. Oh, the pull on it is absolutely just wants to rip your arms off, man. And that V4 sound, oh baby. Woo! Feels good, baby. And I don't have to use a clutch, just click it down, smooth as butter. Hear that beautiful V4 sound, listen to it. Ah, don't she sound beautiful? Woo! Oh, she's so comfortable. Whoa! Oh, I just hit an oil patch, man. Oh my goodness, that's why you gotta be careful out here, and I'll get you that traction control probably helped me out, man. That's another thing that's awesome over the CBR. You know, I'm not really for the electronic rider aids, but they've refined it so well now that it works great. That it's very reliable for the most part from what I hear. That sound, man. So that's why I'm more open to the electronic rider aids these days, and you can cut them off for the most part if you want to. And but I'm still, honestly, I'm gonna keep my CBR because, you know, it's gonna stay reliable. But anyways, guys, so that's how you save money on buying the motorcycle of your dreams. You can save thousands of dollars like CycleCruza does. So I hope that helps you out, guys. That's what my channel's all about. I got over 1,300 videos with all kinds of videos to help you out with all kinds of stuff. Aftermarket fairings, mods, maintenance, all kinds of stuff, guys. Reviews, trips, my bug out moto van trips. I've done everything except for take the bike to the track. I gotta go, but I'm taking my YZ 450FX to the dirt track for some motocross action, jump action. So stay tuned for that. And but I want to hit the track. And if I take it, I'm taking this bike to the track, baby. I ain't taking the CBR, I'm taking this bike. I want to feel this V4 action. Woo! Hear that? But anyways, guys, for those of you that want to get my gear, you know, like this awesome neck brace that I have, it's comfortable and keeps you safe. My heated gloves, my new leather jackets, helmets, boots, all my cameras. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that links to all my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.